Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about how to build your business with a challenge group, or fitness group, or fitness boot camp, or accountability group, as these are the many names that we can call it. This is a group where you help your clients get the results by using our fitness programs and products like Shakeology or the Performance Line. It's where you get your income from in the beginning, um, before you start growing your team, and it is the bread and butter of your business. You're going to put 3 to 5 people in your business a month by holding these challenge groups, and this will help you grow your business as well as grow your client base. So that's it in a nutshell. That's what using your business and hosting challenge groups is about.